Hey YouTube, PyroDad 1236, outside the Pyro Cave. Check this out. I am here in the state of New York, and I'm in front of a fireworks tent. How about that? Free fireworks. And just to keep it real that I'm in New York, Syracuse Realty Group. But yeah, man, we have a fireworks tent in the beautiful state of New York. We're in the town of Phelps, New York, is where I'm currently at. We're on our way to Finger Lakes Casino, and I saw this fireworks tent and I had to stop and shoot a video, guys. That is absolutely badass, man. Let's see what the sign says over here. See what it says. Opening Monday at 9 a.m. So tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock, it'll be open. Barely legal fireworks. Free fireworks. Badass. That is absolutely awesome, man. Never know what you're gonna find, man. That is just absolutely awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. As usual, guys, comment, rate, and subscribe. PyroDad 1236, outside the Pyro Cave. Peace.